So, like I said, a noun can serve as the object, subject, complement, object complement, subject complement, complementing the object of the subject, and what have you.
Oh God.
Adjectives, on the other hand, qualify, elucidate, describe, clarify, explicate,
Akpundu, we hear of this.
Make clear, rationalize, justify, vindicate, and what have you. Any questions?
Akpundu, no.
Sir, that part you talked about the relationship between a preposition and an adverb in a compound complex sentence. I did not really understand it very well. Could you please give us like 20 examples and explain each of the examples so that we can understand better?
Akpundu, which kind of wahala can't be this one now? Abi, you no wan go for break?
See, Mana, leave me alone. You better learn now. After now, you will come and be disturbing me in the exam hall. Akpundu, number 1, number 2, help me now. You just be talking like a cockroach.
Akpundu, come here.
You people should better leave me alone, oh.
What is a noun?
A noun is a name of a person, animal.
Shut up! A noun is not a name of a person. A noun is an action word. For example, Ogbonge, flog this boy. Now. What is a noun?
A noun is an action word.
Shut up! A noun is not an action word. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Ogbonge, give this boy pick 2. Give him another pick 2. You don't reach last card? Okay. Give him general market. That way you don't reach last card. Oh yeah, check what?
Okay.
Hey. Akpundu, you still there alive? Now God go punish you now. Wait, no just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.